Okay, so who is it? Guess it? I am Advait. I am here to build a Lego fighter jet. Is it this? Yes. Wow, so cool. So let's get started. We will need these two bricks and join it together. After that, we will need two of these. Here we go. Here I fixed two of these, and now I'm going to fix so cool these. Did this man? Yeah, man also came with this. Ooh. A man also came. It can just sit as like in this picture. Wow. It's sitting. It can also sit in the fighter jet which I am making. Oh, cool. After that, we are going to use some of these. Or not only one, we are going to use two of them. We will fix it on these two holes. Is it this going to be at the top? Yes, this is going to be at the top. This is the window of the fighter jet. So cool. Now we are going to join these two by taking this part, not this part, this part, and fixing it over right here, and down of that we are going to fix the fix it. It's not fixing it so nicely, it's just breaking. So let's just get ahead. We will use this and put this. This and this. We have to put this, and at the back of it we are going to put this. What's written at the top of here after Sluban? It's written Sluban Aviation. Oh, so cool. Oh no, mine broke. Wait, let me fix it back. Here we go. Fix it. And it will look like this. See? And now we are going to use this big platform and put it on. And we'll put it here. Done. And then this is like an ice cream cone. Yeah, yes it is, but it isn't actually. Yeah, you know, it is white. And this we are going to put behind of it. And then we are going to use these parts. See these parts? Two of those. For the wing? The wing of it, you know. How did you know that it's a wing? Because it looks like it's from the wing. Or did you just guess it? I guess because it is looking like of the wing part. Okay, and then we're going to fix this white part. We are almost reaching to the end. See? So cool. We are going to fix these parts. These parts, do you see? But two of them will be put in here. Done? After that, now all we are going to put this. Ooh, this. We have actually lots of them in this, in this set. And
is there
what?
Is there any extra part?
Yeah, there are many of them. Yeah. Now we are going to take 4 of these and stick on here. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now it will look like this.
So who will like some seeds?
Yeah, but seeds will be added after. Seeds are not right now.
Yeah.
They are right now. See, now this is the seat of the pilot.
Where?
This.
Okay.
Yeah, it's looking awesome.
Yeah.
Now we are going to use these holes. Can you see it? Just like this. And putting these. After that, we're going to put a white square. But you are going to need to put this on the white square. Actually, it's already put in. I cannot take it out. That's why it couldn't get out.
Alright.
Then after that, we are going to need 2 more of those which we used before the square. We put it. After that, we are going to take these, but it looks a bit smaller than the before ones. It's like this. We need total 4 of them. We got it. If you have got it, put it over right.
Whoa, this
Over
rocks.
here.
Rocks.
This blocks rocks. Yeah, everywhere it is hole. Yeah, everywhere holes. Now the third part will be put in here, and the 4th part is here. Done. See, those 4 of them I have put in earth here, and now we are needing this, and we need 2 of them. We are going to put this to join them. See? This have joined them from outside. It's like this.
This looks like a basket, but what is this for?
This is just like this only. It's going to be covered up.
Oh,
Okay? After some, we will now put again these holes. The first hole which we used before the square. We'll actually need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is over here. Now the white one which we used, now it has become blue. This blue part we are going to put it at the back of these. Okay?
have you already put in the stickers? No, pasted the stickers already?
Yes.
Create planes, one at a time.
We'll need 2 of them. 1 and 2. After that, we are going to cover those. First, we'll need this to put it over the seat. Then we will need this. Put it over here. And then one more over here. We're going to put this back of that. And then we'll get this. It has made the almost complete part blue. And now we are going to use 2 of these.
Wow, these look so cool, like sofa which back is like that.
Yeah, and now we are going to use that right now.
Here you go.
Wait. First, we're going to take this and put it here and here. See? The same thing we are going to do on this other side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's looking this much, like this. We are getting now these are also like those, but just one. There are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will fix them on the other white parts. Fix. What happened?
Nothing, just as seen.
Oh, okay. Done. If you have done that, we will need this. We'll need this and put it at the back.
Oh, good.
Now we are going to make the whole wing. We will need first this and this.
You will need these white ones?
Yeah, we will need that. We put it right here. No. What's wrong with this? Right here. And here. See? We'll have to put these right here. Now we are going to take these and fix them over those. Done.
Looks like a great back wing.
Yeah, that's a big wing for the back, the tail, the wing. See, we have made this much. Now, we are going to use these to cover the seat portion. See?
At the pointy part, do you need these blue ones?
Yes, I will really need them. This. Oh no, I forgot something. Here, see, these two you'll need and put it on the white one. Here you see? Done. The wings are finished. Now we are going on the front part. The front.
These part didn't you miss?
Oh, not right now. We'll need them after.
Okay. Let me just see it here, okay? At this box.
This is the blue one we will need.
Oh yeah.
And the black one.
Oh yeah, you need after.
Yeah, I need it after. So we will put this. The black one will be front and the blue one will be at the back. See? It's almost like it's becoming a fighter jet, you know?
Yeah.
Now, we're going to use these. This we are going to make. Then, this. Oops, it just break from me. Here and here. You find this part and this blue part, okay? We are going to put this at here. Here. We have made the top portion of it. Now we will make it the down portion of it.
See how?
See this?
Guess had I joined something or not?
You joined.
Let me see. Yeah.
Yes, I knew it. We will need this, which she said that it's such a awesome. This block rocks. We have 2 of them, so we put it like this.
How did you do that?
It's like this, you know.
Oh yeah.
And the cone which she said it's an ice cream cone. It's not an ice cream cone.
It should be spherical and a little bit bigger.
Yes, and this isn't that. We will need now. We will have to put this white block and this block.
I think this was the extra part.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we'll put it here. One side done.
It's like almost a full fight, like this fighter jets.
Yeah, but not so.
Yeah, but
It's not finished.
yeah. Some parts are left.
Ow! Wait a sec.
Here it is.
Thanks. Here and here.
How did you do that? How did you?
See, it's done. This is done.
Nearly.
See,
Guys, do you want to see his brother of this man? Do you want to?
if you want to see, then you can tell us, and if you don't, then it's okay.
Yeah. Okay, so some people want to. Let me just show them, okay? Let me just show them his brother. He has a bike, but right now he just it is at the home. And
So we will now take these two and fix it at the back of this. I fixed 2 of them, so you also should fix 2 of them.
see his brother.
Yeah, he has even a helmet.
Yeah.
See
a
this?
bike.
Now we're going to put this a bit front of it. See? These are where these
Wait a
wings are
second,
going
I'm coming,
to
okay?
be. Okay. These are coming. These are going to be put. 1. Oops. 2 are put in. See, it's looking like a awesome wing of a fighter jet, yeah? Now, we are going to put this at the back of it. This. And this over it here. On this. And put this. See, it's looking like this. Now, you must have seen this. Take this. Use this and put these over right here. This is the place. Where's the window?
Here it is.
Thanks. Here.
Close and open it.
Here it will open and close.
Yeah. You need these?
Yes, thanks. How did you know that? We'll need 2 of these and
With
put
stickers.
it over
Here.
right here.
Okay, so I think.
And one more, we will put it on the other side. Oops. Here. We have finished the whole fighter jet, but there are missiles and landing gears pending as well.
Is this like a missile?
No. It's just too big,
Oh yeah.
We will need this as the landing gear. One landing gear is done. And these 2 I have attached. And these tires.
Some locks is in. I take it out.
Don't take it out. See, these, this we'll put it on here. We have put in above it a bit. Now we will attach it little bit front of the end of the black. See, here.
Oh no!
Now the landing gear can work. See?
Oh no, this is stuck. This red cone is stuck in.
Oh no! I think, sorry guys, we cannot make one more missile, but we'll try to make 1 missile, 2 missiles, okay? So, now we'll need these. This, you see, we'll put it here and put one here. Put this. See? Here we go. And another one will be put in right here. We will attach this. What happened?
See how the pilot can sit in here. He can sit in here. See?
Yeah, but the pilot can.
Okay.
Oops. Yeah. We'll attach these here. Okay?
He can sit without helmet at our side.
Yeah. We'll put like this. It's looking like a sword, but it's a missile. We'll put this shiny cone on this and attach on this.
Looks like a light of it, but it's a missile.
Yeah, of course. And
Let me put him in.
don't. Not right now.
Oops, sorry.
Okay, it's okay.
Ah, my front broke. Closed ones. Closed one.
Fix it.
He's in. Now what?
Let's close it and
See,
see.
he's in.
Now the fighter jet is complete.
So, like, share, subscribe.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.